rational numbers and its properties. Closure under addition. A rational number is a number that can be written as a simple fraction, that is, as a p by q where q is not equal to 0. Let us look at the closure properties of rational numbers. Let us take an example of two rational numbers as a and b. Add the both rational numbers. Is the result a rational number? Yes. On solving the equation, we get a rational number. Is this true for all rational numbers? Yes. Let us see more examples as given here. On solving all these equations, we also get a rational number in each equation. Thus, we can say that rational numbers are closed under addition. If a and b are any two rational numbers and a plus b is equal to c, then c will always be a rational number.